Namaste yogis. Yoga for beginners. If you are a beginner, you're on that starting stage of practicing yoga and you are interested to know what to do in your practice, what is yoga, how to bring those advancement in your practices. So this video is for you. Yoga for beginners. So in starting, we all have faced that problem, that thing, that how to start, what should be in our daily routine. So basically in yoga, as you are a beginner, you just started, so I would say I will show you the sequence, a sequence you try, and there will be the changes, there will be those differences you will find in your personality, and you will improve your working whenever you start your practice. So the first thing is always the posture, because you will start any practice, you will require your physical body. So if we talk about asanas, talk about the yoga poses, so of course the alignment and the settlement. So first we take the posture. As a beginner, you will get a lot of information, so many postures, but I will tell you one simple asana in which you just cross your legs, you align your back, you make your shoulders properly aligned. So always remember, you practice any asana, your alignment, adjustment, and the third thing, to hold. These three things will always be in a sequence. So first of all, we learn the alignment. I will not go in hundreds of poses. I'm just showing you, you can be in any posture, you will always get this information. Be aligned. You need to be more active. Be in a proper line of that pose. Every pose has a terminology, it has a working. So we always adjust body, that face. So first thing, alignment and relaxation. So as much you are relaxed, the posture is easy. As you check your alignment, you make your body at ease, you are at rest. Then the second thing, you're breathing. So if you're aware about 8 parts of yoga, Ashtanga yoga, so first thing it comes yama niyama, which are your moral responsibilities, your moral practices to follow the truth, non-violence. All those parts, they come under yama niyama. Asana. So asanas for the beginners. Actually, if you take the asanas, so basically a lot of working physically, mentally, and emotionally. So now the third thing I will mention, the adjustments. For example, I'm in this posture, I check my alignment, I check the relaxation. Now adjustment. Adjustment is, there is a proper frame of that pose. In simple words, you are adjusting your physical body there. Now the second thing will come, yoga for beginners, that you're breathing. What we do, we make our breathing with the long strokes. So the breathing is always open and enlarged. There is no restriction in the breathing. So the breathing pattern will be so you make your breathing with long strokes, clear breathing, deep breathing, no restriction. So it helps yoga for beginners to stay longer. You can stay in your practice for a long duration. Now the third practice, which is called resistance, means you're staying in the posture for some time. This is for yoga for beginners. So in starting, you try to be at least 10 seconds. So if I'm sitting in this posture, I try to hold it for 10 seconds at least. I may go longer, 20 to 30 seconds. So in every posture you will find different working. Now the second part, breathing. In all practices you will always find your breathing, which is pranayama. In next video I will come with those postures and breathing practices, what you should do. But I'm just showing you the second part, breathing. So breathing is also very effective. So you may go for proper pranayama. So in pranayama, we always make our breathing. In most of the pranayamas, our breathing is only with the nasal. So mostly to use nasal to in and to exhale. This is the main part of pranayama. And now for yoga for beginners, the third thing, meditation. So you combine your asanas, your pranayama, and then meditation. So what meditation gives you, basically you're observing. It's not like a magic. You're sitting in meditation and some magic will happen. It's you. You're only observing your practice after asanas and pranayama. So hope you enjoyed the video. This was just an introduction for yoga for beginners. Put the comments below. Don't hesitate to press the like button and please share it. And if you're a new person, subscribe to the channel so you always get these notifications. Thank you for watching. Namaste.